Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on number conversion. In this video, we are going to convert a given hexadecimal number into its equivalent decimal format. So watch the video till the end to learn how to convert a hexadecimal number into its equivalent decimal format.
An hexadecimal number can easily be converted into its decimal equivalent. So here we will use the same procedure that we have used to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent or an octal number into its decimal equivalent. So every digit in the hexadecimal number has a positional weightage, and what we are going to do, we are simply summing together the weight of the various position of the hexadecimal number by multiplying the digits with their weightage. So we have given one hexadecimal number 1a and 2. So we are separating the digits 1a and 2. Since these are hexadecimal numbers, so we are writing the base as 16. Starting from the least significant digits, we have the positional weightage as 16 raised to the power 0. Then we move towards the left and the power increases. So in the next step, we are going to multiply the digits with their positional weightage, and we are summing together the result to get the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So 16 square means 256 multiplied by 1, that is also 256. Here a represents 10, 10 multiplied with 16, that means 160, and anything raised to the power 0 means 1. So 2 multiplied by 1, that means 2. So just adding this 3, 256 plus 160 plus 2, we will get the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So summing all these two, we will get the result as 418. So therefore 1a2, the given hexadecimal number, the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number is 418. An hexadecimal number may come into fractions. So in this case, let 0.5c, we have given hexadecimal number, we can convert this to in decimal format. So for this, we are just writing the digits of the hexadecimal number 5 and c after the hexadecimal point. So this one is the hexadecimal point. So after the point, we have the digits 5 and c, and we are going to write the base, which is 16, and just right part of the hexadecimal point we have the powers, the weightage will be 16 to the power minus 1 and 16 to the power minus 2. So we are going to multiply every digit with their positional weightage, and after that we are going to add this to get the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So 5, here we have this one as 5 by 16 plus c means a means 10, 11, b means 11, so c means 12 in hexadecimal, so 12 by 256. So 5 by 16, that means 0.3125, and 12 by 16, it means 0.046875. So adding these two, we will get the result as 0.359375. So therefore the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number 0.5c is equals to 0.359375. This is our answer. So moving on to our next example, we have given the hexadecimal number as 56.08. This can also be converted. So just write down the digits 5, 6, 0 and 8, and just write down their positional weighted. So after the hexadecimal point, we have the weightage as -1 and -2, 16 to the power -1, 16 to the power -2, and just left part of the hexadecimal point we have the weightage as positive 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1. Now we are going to multiply the digits with their positional weightage, and finally we are summing together to get the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number. So 16 raised to the power 1 means 16, and 5 into 16, that means 80. Anything to the power 0 means 1, 6 1 so 6. Here 0 is getting multiplied with 16 to the power 1, so that means the result is also 0. And here we have 8 by 256. So 80 plus 6 means 86, and 8 by 256, that means 0.03125. If we add these two, we will get 86.03125. So therefore the decimal equivalent of the given hexadecimal number 56.08 is 86.03125. This is how we can convert an hexadecimal number into its decimal equivalent.
Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates.